Collins, I think my record.
Yeah. So i-Riding, what year was i-Riding Jikeleza Ingqondo Yami released?
2013.
2013.
Yes.
Yeyiphi inamba bukhompyutha nayo? Because I personally feel ukuthi bekumele ivalwe unyaka leya number leya.
Kanje okay, bekuyiyo.
Yeah.
Okay, wakati pumapurisa vye ono monochiksha mapurisa wenzi bashanyana.
Yeah, bashanyana.
Yeah, hey, like
Eish. Mara, was it a contender nyana for a song
like
of
for
the year?
Masama, yes. You know, and then eventually the song that like made it through became a poison because actually couldn't award overseas.
Yeah.
SA Music Mag.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a lot.
Okay, so I've listened to a number of your songs, ne? So
Yes.
I'll tell you my personal favorites wami, ne? Ngizokutshela ukuthi yini and ngifuna ungitshele ukuthi bekambani. But I know ukuthi amachita busipana nawe closely, which maybe are your closest friends, is a Black Motion.
Yeah, umtaka mfiti bachitaka kankhela.
Yeah, tsa Pitori.
Yeah,
body bra.
Wasembras.
Yeah.
Bafana basidumana.
Sure.
Yeah.
So amachita uhlangana nawo va kanjani kambani?
Okay, how we met in a gig. I remember it was the Bushfire Festival, Swaziland, the MTN, and I was playing there, and then they played my sound actually.
Oh yeah, because the sound then it's very similar.
Yeah,
complementary.
If I DJ, if I perform, like that's the type of music that I play and the type of music they play. So eventually you started like getting down and that cool.
Yeah.
Eventually that's how we started, and then we started visiting each other and used to we work, and then how Amaposa came about. I remember very well. It was a party, PDL Kawash.
Yeah, PDL.
Yes, Benguya, Cape Town. I was late for a show. We say PDL. Actually, Conk.
Yeah. Let's Conk and I'm sad. Sure.
Yeah, we used to cafe there.
Yeah.
So it was my friend's birthday. Boos, which is Zoo.
Okay.
This guy and Boosie. Boosie was playing keys. Zoo was a DJ, so they had a party there. So, bang figure how. First track, you know, people started bouncing. Second track, third track, get him a post.
She's in our bottle now.
Get him a post and so was come back, was farmer checkers. And then from that party, we were sad and we were having fun, and from having fun, like checkers from there to studio.
Sure.
That's how the song was.
So from Le Havre, PDL, what doesn't answer what the set
convoy from there.
Fuck, let's go back to studio
convoy to my crib, and then everybody was there, started doing a song. And then from there I went to Pretoria, they added some other percussions, and then they came back with the song. I recorded the vocals, I sent them the vocals, and then
So I was checking out Amapoisa. Are there two versions of Amapoisa, or is it only just one version?
You won't find my remix. Like there's few of my tracks that you can get remixes from.
No.
Yeah, like.
So you were actually with the guys, the studio in Shale number.
Yes.
Not with Banea now. You were actually in the studio.
Even Kakaramba, same place to Kakaramba.
Yeah.
Same place to Kakaramba, yes.
All right. So Amapoisa and Washaya from Ikig.
Yeah, we're coming from a gig.
Yeah.
And then from that gig, it was a mess.
Yeah.
And then it